How to monetize TikTok account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings. In settings, click on account. After you click on account, click on switch to business account. Press on next and make your account business account as monetization. Business account will have more options. After its business account, you can go back to your profile and click on TikTok Studio. After you're in TikTok Studio, here, scroll down, you'll find monetization. Click on monetization. And if you're eligible, you will get notified. You can click on get notified when I'm eligible and turn on notification. And to make sure you're eligible, you will need video gifts, subscriptions, work with artists, and service. And after you do all this, you'll be eligible and you'll be able to monetize your TikTok account. This is how to monetize TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.